used Panko breadcrumb from Toreda's Joe's and I made Tonkatsu pork cutlet. So basically salt and pepper, flour, egg, and last thing, this is Panko. I'm using vegetable oil. Sometimes I use olive oil, and the oil is hot, then slowly put it in the hot oil. While I'm cooking, I just clean up surface. Cooked both sides and the color looks nice now and it's done. Probably it takes about 10 minutes, this thickness. And I also made the miso soup while I'm cooking. And the vegetable I had. So now tonkatsu is ready. And this is tonkatsu sauce, left side. You can buy it at the Japanese supermarket or Asian store. And this is so handy. This is for coleslaw. It's a cabbage. So it's really easy to prepare. And nice slicing. And the yellow one is a Japanese mustard. And Japanese French dressing. It's like a lemon taste, citrusy. Yuzu dressing is really good too. And this is next day leftover tonkatsu. I'm using oven toaster and warm up. Then breadcrumbs is like a crunchy again, really tasty. So this is Japanese mayonnaise. Sadly, it's almost ending, so I'm just trying to use the end. Cut in half, and later I use sticky wrap and keep just for a few days and just finish as soon as possible. And again, this is the last cabbage. Then now tonkatsu sauce. After that, now tonkatsu is ready. It's nice and warm and little crunch outside. Again, tonkatsu sauce. Then it's done. It's so big, so I cut in 1/3 of it. Half is okay, but half is I think too big to eat. So I just cut in like 1/3 of it. And as you can see, it's hard to stand there. So I changed the plate. Oh, okay. This is the sticky wrap, and I keep like that. But it's already open, so I used only like couple days, then just finished both sides, top and bottom. And I use this plate, then it stands a little bit better. Thank you for watching. See you next video.